MarketPro3 is your trusted fixed operations marketing partner. We enhance your dealership's performance with a variety of services, including acquisition, retention, and recall programs, all tailor-made for your dealership needs. We bring in new customers utilizing DMS data to create a detailed customer profile with metrics like drive time, service history, make, manufacturer, and model years. We exclusively target potential customers who have never engaged with your dealership or have defected to your competitors. Maximize your marketing budget with timely, relevant messages across all platforms. For retention, MarketPro3 leverages cutting-edge technology to delve deeper into retention data. We identify key periods for customer defection and gear marketing efforts to specific vehicle service needs. And don't forget our RecallCheck program, which empowers you to manage recalls effectively, offering a web-based platform for selecting and targeting specific recalls within your budget. Yes, we put you in control. The best part is, we offer a 4-to-1 ROI guarantee, or it's free. Don't wait. Find your fixed ops solution today. MarketPro3, your #1 choice in fixed ops marketing partners.